Hey, what's going on guys? I'm the Feline Techie and welcome back to another video. So browsing on eBay, you may have seen those lot of blank for parts or scrap or whatever floating around. This one was specifically lots of iPhones. So I think without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into it. Oh, there we go. Okay. Let's see the goods. A silver 5S, a sleep black 5, and a space gray 8 Plus. Let's see if any of these actually turn on. Oh, this one does. Okay. What about the iPhone 5? Okay, this one does. What if we plug in this 8 Plus here? Oh, look at this. This one is on iOS 9, it looks like. 10% battery. Okay, this one's about to die. Let's actually, oh, that one was on. I'm sorry, let's go through this one first. Let's actually set up the, iPhone 5 as well. Come on, iTunes, you can recognize it. There we go. Is it iCloud locked? Ah, it's iCloud locked. Well, that's fine because I can actually use this screen for this gold iPhone 5S right here. Oh, let's go ahead and turn this off actually. And we're gonna plug in, connect to iTunes. Is that iOS 7? Oh my god, okay. Disable. Wait, this set up as a new iPhone. Skip this step. Don't use. Is this iOS 7? Don't send. Oh, it's iOS 8. Whoa, what version of iOS 8 is this? 8.3, whoa, that's cool. 8.3 iPhone 5. How cool is that? Alright, now for the 8 Plus, we're gonna wait for it to charge up. Let's lay this 5S on it, just so you can actually see the battery symbol. So these are the 3 iPhones I've gotten. A slate black iPhone 5 on iOS 8. The silver iPhone 5S, I actually took off the good screen and put it on my gold iPhone 5S. So now, I actually have a fully working gold iPhone 5S because this one is iCloud locked. And speaking of locked phones, this iPhone 8 Plus, I don't know what to do with because it's locked up. And I don't know if I can get the owner or contact the owner or anything like that. So yeah, that is everything I've gotten in this lot. iPhone 5, locked 5S, locked 8 Plus. This 8 Plus isn't really much of a loss because I don't even know how much it is. It doesn't even have the right SIM card ejector. So the IMEI number, if it's even on the SIM card tray, isn't gonna match this phone. And besides, I already have a working 256GB iPhone 8 Plus anyways, so it's not like this would be much value to me anyway. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with this phone, so yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video, subscribe if you're new, join if you want to get early videos, and I will see you guys in the next one.